been there? You're halfway through a YouTube video and an ad pops up, and you cannot just wait for those 5 seconds to count down so you can skip the ad. But in this scenario, I did not want to skip the ad. I'm probably guessing why. Well, this video caught my attention by showcasing a ton of gadgets by the popular Oraimo. I was like, wait, Oraimo makes vacuum cleaners. Wait, they make smartphone gimbals, selfie sticks. There were so many cool gadgets in that video that I was like, I have to check out their site. And so I would click the link and go to their site. I would just be snooping through stuff. And I realized that these guys actually make mechanical gaming keyboards. I was like, okay, I have to buy it and review it. And so I did. And since it is higher than 15k, I think anything on their site you buy from their site that's higher than 15k, you get free delivery. So I got the keyboard and going through the features. So basically, this keyboard has fixed lighting. So where it's red, it's red. Where it's blue, it's blue. Where it's orange, it's orange. You can't change the lighting in those areas if I'm not wrong. And the only thing you can change actually is the lighting sequencing, how the lighting flickers or animates and stuff like that. My favorite one which I use is the one where you tap a button and the light and it creates this ripple wave. So you can actually program your own lighting animation sequence, but I wasn't really into all that. I just liked the wave one. And to add to it, I also liked the scroll stuff they did that helps you increase or reduce your volume. That was a very cool feature. And the part where you can tap it to pause a video or play a video. Although I wish that button for where you tap it was of a better quality. It does feel a bit weird when you're pressing it, sometimes stiff, but it's still okay. And to add to that, the keyboard, like the mechanical switches, they're blue switches. So if you're looking for something that is not too expensive and will still deliver, I would pretty much recommend this keyboard. And to showcase how the keyboard does, I will be showing you a highlights of me playing Fortnite with the keyboard with a hand cam. And what other game would be better to showcase a keyboard because of how intensive Fortnite is and how many buttons you have to press. So I tried my best to, I was streaming also. I tried my best to grind and, get a win using the keyboard.
But Horikita, I've never considered you an ally. Not even for a second.
And so overall, the keyboard is pretty decent. Blue switches, customizable lighting, animation. So yeah, I'll pretty much recommend this keyboard to anyone on a budget. It's pretty good. And so my name is Olamide Nomadi. I'm a video editor, visual effects artist and 3D artist from Lagos, Nigeria. And this was my Oraimo mechanical gaming keyboard review. Thanks for watching.